Hey, what's up guys, Spartan Gaming here, and we are back today on Tom Clancy's The Division Beta, and today I have for you a weapon review on the Pakhan legendary weapon. As you can see, it's the nice golden RPK in my hands, and I'm teamed up with a bunch of random people that I've never seen before, and yeah, I just thought I'd take part in the slaughter trying to show off this gun for you guys. So yeah, this is one of the legendary guns, costs 7,000 dark credits. You buy it in the safe house up in the top part of the map, which I can show you right now. Right there. So you can see it. Now it was 6,900, but when I went back to it, it was 7,000, so it's about that either way. It is a light machine gun because it's a version of the RPK, and let's go ahead and look at the stats on it real quick. 415, oh, that's the other gun. I was like, that's not right. 379 damage per bullet and 650 bullets per minute with a 57 in the magazine. I also have modifications added to it. Holographic, quick release mag, and I have nothing on the muzzle, which is not okay. So I'm actually going to throw something on there. I got anything that'll help? Nope. Maybe that's why I didn't have anything on the muzzle. Let's partake in the slaughter real quick to help out. Alright, let's go back to it. So, the one thing I really have to complain about it is its accuracy. I mean, that's without anything. That's just straight up a brick fucking wall. It's bad. Like, it's really bad. And damage is okay. It's not the greatest. It probably didn't look too great right there, but I can attest to it that it's not half bad. Like, I like it. Actually, I prefer it for PvE, fighting the NPCs. I find it a little bit better than the Liberator, actually. But I guess that's probably one of those preference sort of things. But it's one of the things that I actually like better. Alright, so I was trying to focus on killing that little bastard there. And I didn't end up killing him. Alrighty. So yeah, I prefer more of a PvE weapon. I can't always use it for that. Sometimes I'll just kind of pull it out when I'm out on my main weapon, which is usually my Liberator. I like to use that for PvE, but can't win them all, you know? So yeah, that's pretty much all I really have to say about this weapon. It's overall a good weapon. I wouldn't buy it as my first gun. I'm pretty happy with my choice of buying the Liberator first, but yeah, I mean, it's good though, so it wouldn't be like a waste of your money. At this point in time, if you're wondering why it's so quiet, this is pretty much going to be the portion of the video where you just sit back and enjoy me shooting at people. Not killing people, because I haven't killed anybody, but... Did that hurt anybody? Nope. Alright, well, enjoy this clip of me shooting people and killing them. Hooray! But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, remember to smash that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that. I don't think you should, but if you happen to do so, then yeah, go ahead and do that. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more content. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Ah, I got blinded by going to game chat.
An agent on your team requires aid immediately.
Are you guys there, or are you in a party? Oh, okay. Is it just you that has a mic, or are you the only one in game chat? Oh, okay. You got one on the ladder. This is like the 5th time I've done this today. Yeah, LMGs and shotguns. Best thing. Oh, shit. Oh, no, don't do it, Coffee. That's my friend right there. I left his party because I went to go do shit. Oh, shit. I'm gonna have to kill him for like the 3rd time now. Does anybody need a heal? No. Alright, thank you. Oh, Coffee, no.
Rogue agent down.
Oh, come on. Oh shit, they're about to come up here. Oh shit.